This channel makes $30,000 per month by uploading simple fact videos. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create 1,000 videos in just 10 minutes using ChatGPT and start your own faceless YouTube channel to generate tons of money. Many YouTubers are already making videos on this topic, but there's a serious problem I noticed in their videos. They all show the same method, using the same references, use ChatGPT and Canva. But the issue here is that Canva is not free, so not everyone can use it. However, don't worry. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can do it for free using ChatGPT. Firstly, open ChatGPT. I want ChatGPT to come up with some love and sad quotes, with the first part intriguing people to hear the second part. To make it easy to understand, I'll give ChatGPT an example. Like, love is not what we say, it's about what we do. After ChatGPT gives us some samples, I am going to ask it to make them short and simple. Now that the quote size is to my liking, I am going to tell ChatGPT to format them in Excel. The second part looks kind of long, so I am going to make it short. Now that everything is perfect, let's ask ChatGPT to generate 100 unique quotes. Alright, what we want to do now is copy these quotes and paste all of them in Excel. Now that we have our quotes, let's start making the video. Wait, didn't you tell us at the start of the video that Canva is not free? Yeah, I did. So first open Google and search for creatomate, then click on the first link. Now click on Get Started, go to Templates, and click on New. Here you can select the free template for your video background, but I'm going to use my own template. So go to Start from Scratch, select a ratio of 9:16 for our shorts, and click on Create Template. Now, to select a background, click on this icon. Choose the template you saved on your PC. After that, go to the text icon to add text. Choose it to be dynamic so that you can edit it later. Write the theme for your quote. Now, change the color. You can also edit the text to your liking. For now, I'm going to keep it simple. Make 3 copies of the text. Copy the first part of your quote from your Excel and paste it into the first text. You can change the font of your text and edit it. For the last text, write your channel name. For now, I am going with subscribe. You can edit the text to your liking. After that, do the same for the second text. Just copy your second part of the quote from your Excel and paste it into the first text. Since our overall video is 10 seconds long, I am going to make the first part of the quote 6 seconds long and the second part 3 seconds long with a gap of 1. Here's a tip. Ensure the second part size is not more than 3 seconds, so your audience has trouble reading it for the first time, which can lead them to watch your video again and again, increasing your watch time. Now, let's play our video. Perfect. Now, go to Use Template. Then click on Spreadsheet to Video. Click on Continue. Now, first, go to Edit column and match it with your Excel data title. After that, you can add one video at a time or import your Excel file here. To import an Excel file, click on Import Data. As you can see, it instructs you to upload a CSV file. So, let's create a CSV file. Go to your Excel and open the sheet you received from ChatGPT. Now, go to Save As. Select the location where you want to save it. Click on Save as Type and choose CSV. Now, save it. Next, let's import our data. Go to Import Data. Select the file you just saved. Match your Excel titles to your feed columns, and then click on Continue. After that, click on Import Data. Now, one of the best features I like about creatomate, which is not available in Canva, is the ability to change the background for every shot in bulk video. In Canva, you cannot change the background for each shot, making all your videos have the same background. But here, you can choose a different background for every shot. You can also copy the same background if you want, but I suggest changing it. Once you're done, select all your shots, then click on Create Render and click on Confirm. Now select all your videos, click on Download Render and download your shorts. Now, once you download it, go to the downloads. Here, you will find your file. Open it. As you can see, our 60 shorts are created. Now, let's check one of them. As you can see, there is no sound. For sounds, I am going to use YouTube Sounds. You can also use free non-copyrighted songs. I will add their link in the description. Now, let's open our YouTube. Select our video we want to upload, go to Music, and here you can find all types of YouTube music. Note that there is a higher chance of your shorts going viral if you use trending songs. After selecting the song, you can adjust it and choose the part you like. Once it's done, you can upload it on YouTube and Instagram. So guys, this is it for today. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button.